Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Hrm554 Ai. Today I would like to present to you about artificial intelligence or AI. Artificial intelligence or AI can be referred as a technology that uses intelligent machine based on human intelligence. This intelligent machine is programmed to think and imitate human action. Apart from that, artificial intelligence can also be defined as a sign of machine or system development that can perform tasks that generally need humans' intelligence. The importance of artificial intelligence for the employers. Firstly, can help to reduce time and money because machine can perform tasks 24/7 and does not require taking break, eating, sleeping as per human do. This situation shown that machine is more productive compared to human being. When employers reduce the employees' to-do list tasks given, employees can focus and give full commitment on certain work that can boost their productivity. With AI, employers does not require to pile so many work to employees because AI will help to do the most of the work. AI can improve customer experience. AI system introduce the communication through chatbot, email, and so on. For example, AirAsia using live chat to communicate with the customers or passenger to channel the information needed by them, like to change the information on flight ticket, the date changes on flight ticket schedule, and many more. The challenge toward employers are high cost implementation. The installation of AI system occur huge costs that employers need to bear because after installation, this machine need to repair and service to maintain its performance. For example, Apple need to spend about 200 million to acquire AI system or virtual assistant, widely known as Siri. In addition, this AI system required frequent update following the current technological advances. Secondly, the challenge are lack of skill set. The employers need to hire skilled employees or an expert that familiar with the AI system. Lack of knowledge will be a challenge to both employers and employees to run the system. This will causing a loss to employers and organizations if the system already installed but cannot be used due to lack of skills and knowledge. For example, the data for scientists and engineers. These two job position is rare and expensive to hire specific skilled employees that can handle the AI system. The employers with lower budget might need to rethink of AI system installation. Lack of data collection will lead to the failure of machine. Apart from that, the data acquisition and storage also will contribute to challenge because an AI system depends on sensor data as its input. The challenges are in legacy system. Redesigning the legacy infrastructure is one of the biggest challenge for the employers. To get the IT operation in the company, normally the employers will depend on legacy information, infrastructure, application, and device that installed in the company. If employers decided to install the AI system, they also need to learn how to adapt with the new system. The installation of AI system must be compatible with previous system and need to consider about the data storage, data input, and infrastructure. This is a time-consuming process for the employers to use the new technology that make delay in process of work completion. AI system in recruitment also has its own benefit, such as AI system can automate tedious manual tasks. For example, the recruiters use automated messaging service or widely known as chatbots related to job creation or hiring process, which can reduce recruiters' time on responding to the email and phone call from the applicant. At the same time, the candidates can gain the information at any time of the day. In addition, recruiters may use automated resume checker and scheduling software to find the potential candidate. AI can lower cost per hire. Cost per hire is one of the important components in hiring process because it involves the money. Employers need to think another budget to spend if the new hired staff based on staff get staff. So the employers need to pay some money to the existing employers for their recommendation staff. ATS is one of AI system that can help employers search the best candidate because provide the information of candidates by referral. By hiring the right candidates to the vacant position will help to reduce employees turnover. Firstly, combine machine learning automation and human evaluation with your data. Meaning here, although AI system can speed up work and can produce more output than the human workforce, but AI system need to be monitored by human. This is because we look back from the aspect of reliability, where the AI system can help to identify good candidates for job applicant. But some AI system reject applicant for simple reason like different format of CV, placement of photo, different font using, and many more. If the staff take part to evaluate the CV that rejected by AI system, may be able to find the best candidate even if the candidate has been rejected by AI system for minor error. Utilized with skills manager. A manager play a huge role in an organization. Among its roles are as monitors and disseminators. Not all existing staff are familiar with the AI system in an organization. Therefore, employers need to hire a skilled manager in the AI system because if staff facing the problem related to AI system in the workplace, a skilled manager can fix the problem immediately. At the same time, it can avoid the company to spend some money for AI consultation to solve the problem. Thirdly, build strong foundation about AI. Employers should encourage the employees to use AI system in the organization. If the employees lack in the AI system knowledge, employers may send the employees to attend the AI course. Apart from that, employers should be hone employees' abstract thinking regarding the AI system. To learn AI system does not require a professional degree to master it, but only need the boundless patience. Lastly, start building simple things with AI. Building strong intuition regarding the function of AI system is one of the major success factors in learning the AI system. Employers may build a project that involves simple AI. If a daily task involves an AI system, Workers will use the system and learn it. Although the learning process takes time to become an expert, the more you learn, although the learning process takes some time to become an expert, the more you will be learning, as in the quote, practice make perfect. This is long-term benefit to employees and employers. Although in the learning process take time to become an expert, the more you will be learning, as in the quote, practice make perfect. This is a long-term benefit to employers and employees. Lastly, we'll jump into the conclusion. Based on AI system research, I think implementing the system is not an easy process. For some people, AI system make their daily work more difficult because they get used to work manually. For the employees, they need to learn the AI system in order to survive in the world of works. And because most of the organization require skilled workers in technology. Apart from that, employers also need to adapt with AI technology in order to keep the organization sustained and to compete with the competitors. The key is to have an open-minded attitude and eagerness to embrace opportunity wherever and whenever possible. Generally, everyone needs to participate in learning and explore AI system to keep up with the current technological